Hi, it's Krista with WTI. Today, I'm going to share with you how the Ulif E1 heavy-duty garment rack has brought in spectacular closet organization into our guest room space that was designed without a formal closet. And while the instructions were easy to follow and I could have done on my own, I did recruit the assistance of my husband because he's just so much better at these things than I am. We were both really grateful that no extra tools were required and it was up and ready to use in less than an hour. The rack is really living up to its heavy-duty name. It can easily accommodate the weight of a full wardrobe while being designed to conveniently fit into most standard closets. As you can see, it's divided into 3 sections. The center section has 2 adjustable rods that give the rack a lot of stability and are perfect for hanging our shorter garments. Each side section also features a hanging rod for longer garments and adjustable shelves. We keep a few shelves on the lower section for storing shoes and maybe items that are casual and just need to be folded, not hung, and then some shelves at the top for organizing our hats and accessories. This Ulif freestanding garment rack has been a lifesaver for our family, and it is a must-have for anyone looking to add on and improve their closet organization. And that's my point of view.